Chef and Kapoy. So those are your helper today or crew today. So our destination today is Tour A. Tour A ba tayo?
Yes,
Kap, Tour A tayo, Kap.
meron din.
Tour A is composed of 4 or 5 destinations, depends on the weather. So whenever stop, we will give you 35 minutes except to our lunch and Big Lagoon. So we have the hotel. That one is good for kayak. Our first stop is going to be Sabin Comando, approximately 3 hours. By swimming, but by the boat only 5 minutes. So good morning once again. Meeting ito naman. Masaya tayo, masaya. Happy?
Yeah.
Parang kayo masaya. So thank you so much. And El Nido is composed of 65 islands and islets. So that is made of limestone, sir. In every 100 years, it grew to 1 inch. So after 250 million years, ganyan na yung kataas ngayon. So El Nido is the nest, ang pugad sa dagat. That is what it is. First stop, Sabin Comando, 5 minutes. Navigation. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Salamat po.
Rock and roll. Starting now. Going to El Nido Island. With Jerry. Hi, Bin Mama. Ganda ng bundok sa likod.
Pupunta sa bundok si Gary. Kasi yan.
Wala daw.
May.
Nasaan yung plastic na binili mo kapon? Inuwan mo?
Hoy. Yeah, El Nido, Palawan. Alright.
Parang muna natin
Yeah.
yung view lang ha.
El Nido. Palawan. Yeah.
Ay, kapit tayo. Picture taking.
Tara, let's go, boy.
Jump shot. Ma'am, atras na.